LOVETT Farms, Cuthbert, Georgia, 10-1. Be one load of steers out of 82, 83 head. Weight be somewhere around 730, 750. A lot of younger steers that we didn't sell in the August sale. LOVETT Farms, 10-1. LOVETT Farms, Cuthbert, Georgia, 10-1. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Angus and black semi bulls. Angus and semi-cross dams. LOVETT Farms, 10-1. Scotty and Bob LOVETT. Carrying on the cattle after their dad, Mr. Bobby. LOVETT Farms, Cuthbert, Georgia, 10-1. Again, a really nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. I think it's all black and black white face, maybe 2 grays. The LOVETTs have always bought performance tested bulls. Participated in the beef challenge. LOVETT Farms. (10-1). 10-1, be one load out of 82 or 3 head. Be somewhere around 730, 750 at delivery. Right after the October 29th safe sale. Cattle fed right out of grade over 90% choice. Again, the LOVETTs have always bought performance tested bulls with carcass merit in the breeding. LOVETT Farms, 10-1 steers. LOVETT Farms, Heifers, Cuthbert, Georgia, 10-2. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, 69 head, 1 gray. Cattle could be turned out and used as replacement heifers. Really a nice uniform set. Mates to the steers. Sired by the same performance tested bulls. LOVETT Farms, 10-2, Cuthbert, Georgia. LOVETT Farms, Heifers, 10-2. The 69 head, 1 load out of 69, around 7, 7.25. LOVETT Farms, Cuthbert, Georgia. Only 1 gray, the rest will be black and black white face. One and two got little scars. Other than that, they're all pole. Really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, sired by Angus and black semi bulls, out of Angus and semi-cross cows. They're not real large frames, make perfect brood cows because it won't be too big. LOVETT Farms, Cuthbert, Georgia, 10-2. Again, the cattle are Scotty and Bob Lovett's cattle, Cuthbert, Georgia, 10-2. Les Lang, Mr. Bobby's brother-in-law, helps Scotty and Bob with the cattle. (10-2). LOVETT Farms.